Okay, I'm trying to not have a flat hair, but it's been one of those days.
And you know, Facebook Lives make you look awesome.
For sure. Okay, so update. We'd normally been doing this on my wife Jenny Ray's wall, Facebook Live. We've done 2 of them. And my wife is now, because of it, in Facebook jail, which I don't fully know what that means because I'm never on here too much. And Jenny Ray knows that. So we're now attempting to do this on my wall, hopefully not getting the same result.
You actually know he's not on here a lot because he keeps calling it a wall. Is that even a thing?
That's not even a thing anymore. Like, no one does that anymore on...
I think it's called a profile.
It's called a profile, but I call it a wall because...
I think that was 10 years ago.
I'm from that long ago, and I keep using it as a mirror instead of actual live.
Yeah, it's not going to fix it.
It's not working.
It's not.
Anyway.
So I'm in jail, folks, Facebook jail.
Yeah.
So if you have tried to find me or any of the videos we've done the last couple days...
You're not going to find them.
You're not. I'm not ghosting you. I have not blocked you. I've just disappeared from existence, I guess, because Facebook controls that. So.
But she's still here, which is, you can find her here. So... catch up to speed. What are we talking about? So I'm super excited about April.
Yes.
Because we're 1 month out from something that I never thought would be possible. Normally, I would be doing these Facebook Lives if I ever did them by myself, but I don't get to have to do that anymore. I am remarrying this beautiful woman coming up here in May, and we're super excited about it. And we're just talking about the journey. It's been a long road. You know, when you're looking at a marriage, so often you look at, the marriage. But part of my process for me has been, it's not just about the marriage. It's about you as an individual, as a person, because you bring yourself wherever you are. That's where you are. Like, you're in the marriage, whether you're dealing with finances, parenting, any of those issues that you're struggling with, like, what I've learned for me in my journey process and still ongoing is I have to show up for me, and I have to show up of that. Am I going to actually do something different? Am I actually going to take the step to work on myself and work on the hard thing and the hard conversations? So anyway, I'm saying all that to say, in that process, something beautiful has been made and restoration is happening, and we're getting remarried. And so do you want to talk a little bit about what's coming up?
So in April, we're going to be going live every Monday. The plan was every Monday to be going live in a private Facebook group that I have for whatever it takes individuals. This is an amazing group of people who are really committed to do whatever it takes to reclaim themselves in the midst of the hustle, in the midst of the hard of life. We're all hit with it, right? You could fill in the blank with something for yourself. Your story is different than our story, but we've all been through it, right? And whatever that is, this is a group of individuals who are really working they're I guess longing for balance in their life, balance between work life and family life and all the things that they're juggling, and have just found that along the way they've kind of lost themselves, and a lot of things have gone sideways. And so that is what we found ourselves in. And so for the month of April, we're going to be talking about that journey of restoration. And as Nathan said, restoration we sometimes hear that word, and I feel like that word can be, if you're in the midst of something so hard that feels like it's burning to the ground and you're in the midst of the fire, it can just be so hopeless to hear the word restoration, especially if what you're looking out at, whether it's your finances or a relationship, if the other individual isn't as involved or as committed as you feel like they need to be to show up to this thing to restore it. If your finances just feel like there's no hope, like it is what it is, you've got the job and the income you've got and you don't know where to really go. We get that. Like, we have been entrepreneurs and in businesses and in multiple different job streams for years. And so our encouragement to you that we want to bring to you even in April is that restoration isn't just about this thing. It's not just about restoring your finances or restoring your marriage or a relationship with an estranged child. We've walked through all of these things. It's restoring you, as Nathan said. And that has been really both of our journeys, is coming apart, separation. We were separated for 18 months. That separation was the hardest thing we've ever walked through, and also the most beautiful. Yeah. Because we both found ourselves, which sounds crazy and probably like elementary, right? And yet, how many of us as adults really do battle that? Like we know ourselves only in the context of what we do or all the responsibilities we can. Easy to lose yourself. And when you do that, you start acting all sorts of sideways ways.
For sure.
Right?
And there's awareness and awakening. I mean, like all these pieces that make up someone's life. You don't know what you don't know. And sometimes it just means sitting down and just being honest about it. And so we're going to be doing this every week.
So yeah, all that to
I'm not
say,
sure where
we will let you know where. As of right now, if I am still in Facebook jail come Monday, 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, we will let you know where it's going to be. We're probably going to have a place where we're streaming it live, where you can just click the link and log right in. If you want to make sure you don't miss out.
Yeah. So just this. Yeah. Just right below. Drop a comment right below right now. If you're wanting to be a part of what we're doing, again, she's in Facebook jail, but we'll find a way and find a place. It could just be another group that we have to create. But either way, we want you to be part of the journey. It's going to be messy. We're going to be very real, raw, honest about everything. Again, that's what's happening. And I am, hey, Andy, I see you.
Yes, we totally got, oops,
we did.
Did I just switch us?
I don't know what's happening. Facebook, we're totally doing craziness.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, you guys, we're just killing it.
This is the honest truth and what's happening here. Okay. I don't even know what's happening.
It's going every which way. Well, we're upside down now.
So, with that being said, I don't even know what's happening.
We're just going to finish.
We're going to finish here. So, put a comment below if you want to be part of our journey and see more about our real rawness, about our us getting married and everything else.
We will be talking all things restoration, and we're going to pray that our Facebook skills get restored in the process. So drop a comment below, and we'll see you soon.